Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm doing another video in the same outfit, so disclaimer, but I'm here to do a comparison between the Montaigne BB in the Empreinte leather rose ballerine and the Vernis leather in the rose ballerine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get to it. Okay guys, so I just flipped the camera around and I just want to show you the comparison. So as far as the dimensions go, obviously they're the same. The only differences besides the leather is the straps on the Empreinte is hooked on this side and the opposite side right there. And it also comes with this luggage lock that's usually in like the key pause, which is on there. And then for the Vernis, sorry I'm out of breath, pregnancy. So for the Vernis, the difference is the straps are on each side, which makes it more even and balanced. So in my previous video, I did say that I'm returning the Vernis. You can see it better in this lighting. See that it's dark, so it's discoloration from either dirty hands or just wear and tear. And then also the bag has faded. Even though it's still a beautiful color, it looks more peach than it does pink. And then the Empreinte is this beautiful rose ballerine color. The embossing is beautiful. It did come with the initials of the seller, but that's fine. Okay, and then for the interior with all Empreintes, they come with that textile lining with the stripes. For this one, it is a cloth lining as well, which I believe it's the same textile, but it's just no print to it. I'm just so in love with this Empreinte, you guys. I didn't even know I wanted an Empreinte because I was so worried about this strap being like this, but honestly it didn't really bother me. But I do still love, I did really love the Vernis. It's just, if this handle wasn't like that, I probably would have stayed with it. It's just so pretty. But those are the disadvantages. And then also because it's Vernis, it's super stiff and I don't see it being more malleable over time, but it'll just keep discoloring and then getting darker as it goes along the way. But this one, because it is that softer Empreinte leather, I'm pretty sure it'll be more comfortable. The straps would be more comfortable over time as well. And it's so structured that even if it did relax even a tiny bit, it would still be fine. You can just see the difference also in embossing. Let me make them closer. You can just see how much more deeper the Empreinte is. So pretty. I love that. Another thing I wanted to note is the hardwares are both so beautiful. It's super shiny and they match. Obviously with this price point they better match, because as you guys know, speedy bandoliers, those hardwares do not match, even though they are still very expensive. But this one, it's just so nice and shiny. They match, so pretty. They do come with a lock. I didn't mention that. So they come with a lock and you can lock them. That's the difference too, is for the Empreinte, you have to zip it all the way together and lock it with, oh, you have to lock it like this. You have to connect them. So when locking the Empreinte leather, you have to have them close to each other and then lock it that way. Can you guys see? I hope you can see that. There's a lock right here. But in the Vernis, you have to close the zipper. This is kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay, so you close that zipper, and this bag did not come with a lock. And then put it down right there. If it'll focus. And then you put it down right here and lock it where this thing is. And there's a little loop. The bag did not come with a lock, so I can't show you that. But they're so beautiful, you guys. And this little pleat on the side is so pretty. This one does not have that, which is fine, you know. They're so gorgeous. I love it. And I'm so disappointed that Louis Vuitton, when I finally start getting into pinks, Louis Vuitton would discontinue it. This rose ballerine color. Oh, you can see what I was talking about. So you see how this exterior looks more peach, and then when you see the inside lining right here, it's that rose ballerine color, which is the more pinky baby pink lilac color. It just doesn't reflect the exterior. The bottom has that 4 feet, and it has the reinforcement base for both. And the closure is just the claw and the clasp right there for both of them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful as far as weight goes. Let me see. As far as the weight goes, I feel like the Empreinte is definitely a little bit heavier. I'm not sure it's because the leather is thicker or what, but yeah, they're both, I mean, they fairly have some weight to it. It's not a light bag. It's not a canvas bag where it would be very lightweight. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.